everyone, and welcome to round 15 of the FIM Motocross World Championship. This weekend we're in Uddevalla for the MXGP of Sweden, the first of a triple header. Now, this Uddevalla circuit has one of the longest histories on the MXGP calendar, having first hosted a motocross Grand Prix back in 1958, and since then it's hosted 25 GPs. But this year, 2024, there's a few changes to the track, and where I'm standing is one of them. And we do have a busy weekend. We have the premier classes of MXGP and MX2 joined by the EMX 250s and the EMX 125s presented by FMF Racing. And as always, you can tune in live on MXGP-TV.com on Saturday and Sunday and follow all our social media platforms at MXGP for the latest updates. And I'll see you guys over the weekend.